Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see edit history in Google Docs. So first of all, open the docs.google.com, then sign into your account. Once you are signed in, then open up the doc for which you want to see the edit history. Okay, so I'm going to open up this document here. Alright, so once the document is open, you can go to the file here at the top, and then at the bottom you can see one of the options as version history. Okay, so current version and see version history. Okay, you can also see the shortcut for it. So I'm going to click on see version history here. Now on the right hand side you can see the date and time. Okay, you can also click here named versions. Now click on this little arrow here, explain detailed versions. Okay, and I can see here there are a lot of versions according to the time. If there are any date changes also, then also it will be it's going to show date wise. Okay, so right now inside this one I have these versions uh, like date and time wise. Okay, so if I want this version January 2 12:53 p.m, so if I click here, okay, then it will load that particular version, and if you want to restore it, then you can simply click here to restore this particular version. So this is how easily you can see the edit history, and you can also restore a particular version of it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.